Dirt Connections is right here, right now. Dirt Connections, the professionals.
Early morning, Alexandria, Virginia. Ravensworth Welding Shop. They do all of my welding. Got a little problem on the trailer, on the ramps. Gonna reinforce the backside so the screen doesn't get depressed with the loading of the machines. Great people to do business with. Alexandria, Virginia. Ravensworth Welding. Need anything? Stop by. They do great work, great people. Railings, racks for trucks, real pros. There we go. Oh, nice. Let me throw a little light on the subject. See right here, we were getting a depression. So we're gonna reinforce that. Fix that up, make it stronger. Perfect. Welder up, welder up, welder up. Fix my little trailer. Better than factory. Nice work when you can get it. All ship shape. Getting her ready. My little trailer is better than new. We bought some C-channel, 3-inch C-channel, dropped it in this cavity to provide support to the ramp. They welded it up real nice on the top and bottom. Looks all good. Tacked it up here. Nice. That's, see, I was getting a depression here, so I wanted to reinforce that on my ramp. So I bought that 3-inch C-channel to take care of that. So, like factory, Ravensworth Welding Shop. They do great work. Need any welding, come here. Alexandria, Virginia, Ravensworth Welding.
Dirt Connections is right here, right now. Dirt Connections, the professionals.